What up? So, Liam's Lexus Bull 2 here. Y'all already know that if you know. So we got the snowstorm coming Sunday. It starts at 1 a.m. and it ends Monday at 1 p.m. Weather channels are saying all different things. Some are saying we're getting only 8 inches. Others are saying we're getting 18 inches plus. Others are saying 2 feet of snow. But either way, we're getting a lot of snow. And it's great to make money in. So I'm doing a little DoorDash right now because I need to make some money up because I got to prep for the storm, not food wise, car wise, because we're going to be using a car in the storm, and I'll show you guys that later on in the video. I got to get oil for it so I could do an oil change, and I need to get a decent amount of gas. Right now, I only have enough money for a decent amount of gas, full tank, so I'm going to get money for oil change. So let's do that. Damn, all the salt on my car. I have not washed it yet this winter. That is no fuego. Not good. My ex, Cuban, she spoke Spanish. Her whole family did, and I know not a lick of Spanish, and I wish I did. I actually want to learn because it seems like Hispanic women are all attracted to me, and they're the only type of women that like me. So, and I fuck with them heavy because I love that craziness they got. So, but yeah, let's drop this order off, make this money so I could get gas, fill it up with 93, and then get that oil change done because it's Friday right now at 8:50 a.m. and the snow starts Sunday at 1. Well, no, my bad. The blizzard-like conditions start Sunday at 1 a.m. The snow starts tomorrow night at 6:30 p.m. Look at that car right there. He always has a nice ass car, dude. He has an IS 300 too, fully boosted, Aristo swapped. Awesome car, man. But yeah, so I want to do this oil change early. I was gonna wait to 500 miles. It's only like 200 some miles left until I'd hit that 500 anyway. Might as well just change it early because if I'm gonna be like flooring the engine a lot because of being stuck in snow or whatever it may be, I want to make sure the engine is fully protected with some new oil in it and at their correct level. Because right now I'm about zero point 0.7 quarts low. So let's go drop this order up. We're already here, so I'm not even going to end the clip. And, I usually turn around first, but I want this clip to end, so cause I'm not trying to make this a hour and a half long video. So let's drop this off. Looks like they ordered Wawa. I'm surprised they didn't give me that order. All right, that was weird. Kid walking like he's about to get in my car. His mom, and to be like, come on, son." And I hate having to film around people's kids because it is weird. People shouldn't be doing that, but yeah. All right, they got 94 octane. 94 it says. So I'm gonna try to overdraft my one card, and if that works, I'm gonna put some 94 in it. So let's try this out and see if it works. 94. Nope, not gonna work. But we are getting $1.19 of 94. So, but this is why I'm trying to make some money today because I do want to put um like 20 bucks of that in, and then the rest of 93 at Quick Check. So let's see if this does anything for now. 0.2 gallons. My gas light's about to come on, so I should be able to feel it. So, but I want to put that in first later, like I said, put like $20 in, and then fill the rest up with 93. But I want to drive around on the 94 first, circulate it, get it into the injectors, into the engine, film a video for you guys with it, and see how it goes. So I got a double order going to the same customer before I even got to get back to my house. So we just got 94 there. 8:58 in the morning. Gonna go pick up this double dash. It's only paying about $12, like $11.80 for going to a restaurant. Brownstone Pancake Factory, I think it's called, something like that. And then we're going to Wawa, which is also on the way to the customer's house. So should be a nice, easy, simple order, and that'll put me at $25 for the day so far, which is not bad considering it's 9 a.m. and I did my first DoorDash at 6 a.m. So I'm stuck behind a bus here, but again, I'm not too bothered by it because 9/11 um, is when it says it'll be done at. So that's another reason I like filming with these glasses, man, because you can't when I hold my camera up and shit like that. It we see 9/11. It's if there's a cop by, they're going to pull you over for it. So let's go get to the restaurant. I still picked up one part of the order. I hate when that happens, bro. When they staple it like really down low, so when you pick it up, it fucks the bag up. But yeah, I got one more order to pick up at Wawa. Let's go grab that real quick, and yeah, got a nice ass fucking VQZ in front of me. Another Shelby Mustang Cobra. I mean, fuck yeah, I saw one at Wawa yesterday. I'm gonna put it in here. And yeah, now the problem with the snowstorms are when you get snowstorms, you get a bunch of old people that leave their house in their 1998 Grand Marquis or '04 Nissan Frontiers that have like 3,000 miles on them. And they go to the store and they fill up their gas tanks with new gas that'll sit in their tanks for 5 months because yet they never leave their house, but they want to over prepare when I'm sure they have food in there from 10 years ago in cans. But yeah, that's just the truth. My grandfather used to do them when he was living by himself. And it's just old people. Like I think if it gives them like some type of like motivation that they don't feel like I don't know, just I don't understand it because I'm not old, but I do understand the debt and the gas part. But that's because I drive and I need gas to make money. So yeah. All right, we're at Wawa now. What they're getting is just a gallon of milk. So, gonna run in here real quick, grab that big. You heard me? Nah, but for real, gotta grab the milk. Old people are everywhere, bro. Everywhere. I got stuck behind another one in a fucking red Dodge Green Caravan minivan and shit, bro. Like, fucking crazy work, bro. Alright, got it. Let's go drop this shit off. Get back to the fucking cribski and get a motherfucking breakfast going or something, bro. Cause I'm hungry. It's been a minute since I ate. Even though my fat ass don't look like it. See, that person is probably mad as hell that I just drove off like that. There's no parking though, and they would not have made it if I didn't move. There's like no parking on that side at all this time. Let's go drop this shit off. All right, pulling up to the house. Another reason I like doing these vlogs is I'll always have proof if a customer ever tries to say, "Oh, they didn't deliver my order." Yes, sir, I did. Really tight driveway. Back this up. Hand it to me nice. It don't matter though because, like I said, I got the video going. So, hey, how are you?
How's it going?
Good.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one. Be careful, that bag's a little ripped. No problem. Thank you too. Yeah, I need a pin for the second one. My bad.
Oh, would you need a code thing?
Yeah, it's the last four the number, I think. So last four of her phone number that she uses.
Oh, last four for the phone number? Sure.
Yeah.
5384.
Yep. Cool.
All right,
Thank you.
thank
Have
you.
a good one. Damn, out of breath from running up and down, bro. Shit, I need to start working out for real. Nah, bro, but see that shit? Like that's like a little secret I know now. Because of being in like those DoorDash groups on Facebook. So now I know if a customer has to give a pin out, it's because one, they report orders missing a lot. Two, it's always the last four of their phone number, and it'll always be that because it'll be a number that they know. So if they give it to me, I won't know their number because it's not the DoorDash number they give you because they have a fake number that DoorDash provides to you. It's their phone number. So the phone number that they linked the account with, and she was looking for the pin. She couldn't find it. I'm like, told her son like, yo, it's just the last four of her phone number. And I found out through DoorDash groups because people order, and they told me this. I don't order from DoorDash, so I would never know. So I was able to get the code faster because most people were like, oh, I didn't know there was a code. Hold on, I got to look it up. But now if I'm like, oh no, it's just the last four of your phone number you use on your account, and they'll be able to give it to me a lot quicker. So it's cool. All right. As soon as I get home and take everything off, shoes, jacket, sit down, get another one. So got ready, hopped in the car, and now we're doing it. So let's get it. That's crazy. I just filmed like an 8-minute clip with my glasses, and in the video, the glasses, I was talking about how I can't trust them because they fucked up my audio and the imagery frame rate because the battery was dying or whatever. And I finished the clip, and the reason I brought up because I went to the same customer's house where I did a power brake burnout on her street, which I've never done a standstill burnout in this car before, and I filmed it for you guys, and shit got fucked up because. Alright, so I was just about to nap because I haven't been getting any orders, and I was up early, so I'm gonna work late into tonight. Got this order, $4.85. It's only going literally from my house to the store to the house I'm dropping it off at is only 0.4 of a mile. Literally, like, I just left this store as soon as I hit record. It's Dunkin' Donuts where you guys see me go before. and I'm dropping it off right over here. Person orders every Friday. Every Friday from the same place, Dunkin' Donuts, to get it delivered right here at their house. So I don't know what it is for cameras today, but that last clip just shut off. I just finished delivering, so yeah. Look at these two fucking beauts, boy. 4Runner and LS400. Not taking care of the best, but still fucking fire, bro. Yo, why didn't you tell me? Got an order. Let's go pick this up, and then I'll tell you guys about it. Alright, so on my way to dropping the order off. I'm not wearing eyeglasses because they've been a pain in the ass for me. I love them, but been a pain in the ass. I'm gonna use them probably for the next clip later. Dropping the order off, getting gas because my gas light's been pinned on E. Not using any of the money that I made today and other money I had for the oil change. I'm using a credit card, so fuck it, because I need the money to fill up and then do the oil change hopefully tomorrow before 6 p.m. when it snows. But yeah, so this money I'm putting in is only $15, so might be 20, depends how much I need. So it's not going to be counted towards the money I'm making today. So let's go drop this order off. So this house to my left, hold up, where is it? It's right up here, right there, right to the left. One of these houses, it's coming up, I don't know where it is. There it is, right there, that house to the right. It wasn't on my left, my bad. That house right there, caught kidnapping, 2 little girls, and it was 2 lesbians that did this, and had a illegal animal ring, that they're keeping tons of animals shitting on the floor and all that, and they went to jail or prison. They're still in prison. It's crazy work. But we're here, so let's go drop this food off. I think it's that house right there, because homeboy don't got a car, I think, or something like that. I don't know. I've delivered to this house before, so I'm not sure. It's crazy. It's cul-de-sac. There was supposed to be houses built there, but we have protected land over here, and the developers have found ways to get around it, which is why these houses were built. But the other houses weren't allowed to be built back there, I guess. Pulling up. This guy don't know how to drive. That's very nice. Let's go get some fucking gas, please. $57 out of that last load. I put 20 and not 15 because everyone's getting gas. This place is packed. So I'd rather be safe than sorry, because I'm gonna have to get more gas again tomorrow, fill up tomorrow night. But like I was talking to this guy, I get 93, so I should be safe. He thinks gas stations are gonna run out. I don't believe that at all, because I mean, we're only getting like a foot to 2 feet max, because they just changed it again. Where like the strongest snow band is like 50 miles wide north to south, and apparently it's coming back down south again, where it's going to hit us perfectly. So we might get 2 feet. But even then, I don't think we're going to run out of gas. Like the only time I ever seen gas run out was during Hurricane Sandy, where it ran out for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then Hurricane Irene, which was 2011, the year before, where it only ran out for a few days, because that one wasn't that bad. So I don't see it running out, but I reset my trip. Let's go try to make some fucking money. And yeah. Alright, so it's like 9 p.m. I'm about to take a nap before waking up at 12 a.m. to work until about 4 a.m. And look how fucking cold it's going to be. 12 degrees. At 4 a.m. it's going to feel like -4 degrees. And then there's the forecast saying 9 inches of snow tomorrow alone, and then that's not counting Sunday or Saturday night, so it's fucking crazy. Gonna be windy and fucking cold tonight when I work. Nice little cold start for you. Let's see what the temperature is real quick. 12 degrees. It feels like -3. Damn, it is cold out right now. Like, it is mad cold out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the oil change in time today. I have the money for it, but it is so fucking cold out. I just don't want to do it, and it's cold. It's the high today. It's gonna be fucking 18 degrees, dude. I'm not trying to fucking do an oil change in that temp. That's nice. There's like no traffic out, but yeah, my car does not like the cold, man. It's gonna have to warm up before I start driving it places today and tomorrow. Cause this car, it hates the cold. Like I can feel it. Power steering's thicker. It's harder to steer it. Um, just the engine sounds tired. Fuck, dude. I'm gonna let this warm up next time. All right, so I got a DoorDash. I don't know if it's. I didn't tell you guys yet. I legit just woke up. I was up till fucking 4 in the morning waiting for orders. I didn't get none, dude. But look at this. You guys see my traffic in my area. There is nothing right now. We're not even in the state of emergency yet. It's happening tonight at like 7 p.m. Fucking freezing. Holy shit. But yeah, it's gonna drop this order off. I'm sorry, I'm not too talkative. I'm usually always yapping. But it is fucking cold. I just woke up and I'm still tired because I went to bed at 4 a.m. and it is 8:26 right now. So I only got about 5.5 hours sleep in the past 36 hours because I only slept like an hour and a half yesterday. So, but let's go drop this order off. My car's not even going to be a slightest bit warmed up. I don't know if you can see that. Slightest bit warmed up by the time let's see if we can get that for you. Slightest bit warmed up by the time I get home. So let's go drop the soda off. I'm gonna let it run outside my house for a bit. Um, yeah, run outside my house for a bit while I'm drinking my coffee because that's brewing right now while I'm delivering this order. All right, we passed it. Back up, boy. 61. It's right after this house. Right here. Let's go drop this shit off. Too cold for all this, man. Man, Alaska is gonna get taken. Is gonna be getting used to that because when that wind hits your face, when the wind chill is below zero, it is harsh, man. Harsh. Damn, bro. Like you feel the heat leaving your body, bro. Like you feel your soul leaving your body almost when it's fucking that cold out. All right, so I just woke up from a nap. Man, that nap felt great because like I said, I barely slept the last 48 hours. I'm still tired, but I feel a lot better now than I did before. Look at this. I can't stand people like this, man. Like, go. What are you doing, bro? Like, you have all the room in the world to turn, and what are you doing, bro? Dumbass, bro. I swear people are so stupid. And that's how you back up traffic. Shit like that. Ugh, great, this place is busy as hell, bro. Busy as a motherfucker, man. That's great. But we got DoorDash. Let's go get this done. It is cold out. It's weird though. It's like as soon as the sun came out, people wanted to start driving and going out. But when it was cloudy out, there was no one out. It's like people were scared to leave their house. I mean, it's still not nearly as bad as it normally is on a Saturday, but there's still a lot of traffic out. Again, Saturdays are usually busier than this, but it's still a lot of traffic in my opinion for supposedly a snowstorm happening within a. Well, it was supposed to start at 6 p.m. Now, it's saying it's not starting to snow until like 3 to 5 a.m., which I don't get because I don't get how they miscalculate that much. And then some weather apps are saying that we're only getting like 4 to 8 inches now, yet other apps are saying we're still getting like 17 to 24 inches. So it's all making no sense for me, in my opinion. None of it is great. Yes, that's what I mean. A lot of traffic, but yeah. So none of it's like making any sense. And like, yeah, this is a lot of traffic for supposedly being a snowstorm. So, but I'm not near the drop off yet, so I'm gonna turn this off. And here we go. Someone else. That's a new house too. They just keep building, keep on building, knocking trees down and keep building, man. I just noticed something. Every time like I hit a bump, bro, if it's a big bump, I'll just smack my head on the ceiling, which is crazy because the sunroof there, which I get lowers like the roof of the car a bit, but like I used to fit in this car perfect, bro. Like fit like I thought I did. But when I wear hats, which I just started doing, I smacked my head. I hit the roof, hit right here mainly, and I got rid of my Mazda. I mean, not my Mazda, my Elantra, because I really didn't fit in that car. And like this car, I'm like starting to realize like my legs hitting a fucking steering wheel, shit like that, right? And it's making me realize I really need to get a fucking SUV, bro, because Daling is kind of annoying sometimes. I mean, it's a hell of a lot better than any other car I own, I'll tell you that much. If it was a little bit bigger, it'd be perfect. Let's drop this off. So you know how when it's about to snow out, you could smell it in the air. That's how I feel right now. I can smell it in the air, and it's crazy like how you could like always smell the snow in the air. Like it's like smelling the rain, but it's different. It has a different, distinct smell. It's weird though. Like how does snow smell, and how does rain smell? And they both have a specific, distinct smell that are way different from one another. It's crazy in my opinion. Great. Oh man, no way am I getting stuck behind this old fucker, man. Government traffic and government cheese and government traffic. I swear, every time I come out here, there's this old fuck in this car cuts out in front of me. It's like they wait for me. It's like they see me come out this way, and they hop in their car and they wait for me to leave so they can come slow me fucking down because they're mad I'm driving fast or some shit, bro. Like, look at this person. This person really shouldn't be on the fucking road, man. All right, just went to get a vape and some fucking sugar. Because you can't have a snowstorm with some fucking football without some fucking nicotine fiend shit and delinquent food shit, you heard me? But yeah, got my vape for tomorrow. I don't even need the vape yet. Like, this still is almost halfway full, but I was like, I don't want to run out tomorrow and then nowhere's open, and then like I'm gonna be working in the snow all day too. So it's like, fuck, bro. If I run out of nicotine, I'm gonna be pissed tomorrow. So I'm like, that I'm just gonna go get it now, call it safe, so I can work as much as I can tomorrow, make a nice vlog for you guys because that's the plan. See how much I can make in the snowstorm, and I really hope the snowstorm sticks and we get at least 12 inches of snow, so I could get a really nice video for y'all because it's my brother's. Oh no, it's not. Same car though. But yeah, get a nice video for you guys for tomorrow in the snow. See how much I can make. Because last time we got a snowstorm that was 10 inches or above, I was with my ex and I did DoorDash and for like a few hours, I think like 3 hours, I made over 150 bucks. So let's see what we could do tomorrow, you know? This video is gonna end soon because it's getting to be really long and I wanted to do the oil change today, but I can't because it's way too fucking cold out, and I really do not feel like getting under this car when it's this cold out. And I still haven't gone to Walmart yet, so it wouldn't be until nighttime where the wind chill is going to be like -5 anyway, so fuck all that. Yeah, like I do. This is like, I'm glad I came in here now, bro. I'm trying to film a video for YouTube about the snow, man. Bro, this is empty, man. Crazy. Empty. I've never seen a Walmart this empty. I'm on my way to fucking Wawa to use the ATM because I cashed out my money early, and I cashed it out because I got an email from from DoorDash, and I was then all paranoid thinking they were going to like lock my account again for a day, and I couldn't deal with that because I need the money from my account, so I cashed out early. And now I got to take it out of my account because it's in my one account that I can't use. It's only basically there to hold money unless I take the cash out. So I gotta go take cash out so I have the money to be able to use it because I don't want to put it in my other account. There's tons of weird shit, but I'm still working. Once it starts snowing out, I'm gonna end this video, or if it becomes quick, like any longer, I'm gonna end it too. So yeah, probably a few more clips and the video will be over, and then it'll be the snow day video. So, but I'm here. Let's get this money, boy. That's gonna wrap up this video. Pre-snowstorm prep. These are some pictures of the last snowstorm we had in 2016, January 24th, 2016, when I first got my other Lexus that started the main channel up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the snowstorm video. Peace.
Breaking news, Liam's Lexus Build 2 got motion.